Hi, welcome to Tech Shorts. Today we have a very special DIY project you can do at home, and this was a great one for the kids. Now, parents, this is just for you, so if you do have any of the little ones around watching this video with you, you might want to have them go do something else for a little bit, because this will be a special surprise for your young one. So what I'm going to show you today is a special website. It's called Portable North Pole. And it's a special Santa experience that you can help Santa with for making something special for your child. So the way you find it is either search for Santa PNP, which stands for Santa Portable North Pole, or you can just go to portablenorthpole.com. When you arrive at the website, you have a few options here. So as you can see, this is the Portable North Pole, and what you can do at this site is put in a little bit of information to help Santa out, and that way he knows who he's making this special video for. And once you have that information in there, Santa will contact your child via email and have a special video made just for them. So let's talk about how this works. When you first go to the website, you have a free option, well, free options I should say, right here. So any of these are free to make. Now, what's unique about the free to make videos versus the other ones are the free to make ones just kind of gives you a very general, hi, this is Santa, and allows your child to enjoy a nice message from Santa Claus. It does have some personalization to it, so there are pictures involved and some other information depending on the video you choose. It's a lot of fun, and it's something that I do every year for my children. Now, if you don't want to keep it really general and you want to go the extra distance, there are premium videos that you can get. There's some that will arrive they'll arrive when they're ready, and you can show it on Christmas Eve, or you can make an interactive call, and there's many to choose from. But again, these are considered premium, which means you do have to put in a small fee for these, but they are worth it, because in all of these premium videos it involves a few more pictures, a little bit more personalization, and you even get a naughty or nice determination at the end of the video. So if you want to encourage your child and have Santa send a video letting them know that they have been nice, or maybe they need to continue working, then this is a great way to help you with that. So again, this is Portable North Pole, and the free videos are just fine, but if you want to go the extra mile, you can purchase a premium one. It's just a lot of fun. I enjoy making it. My kids enjoy seeing it, and it's become a tradition around the house. So for Tech Shorts, I'm Marcos, and have fun out there. Enjoy your holiday season.